All right, we're here at the Slim Garage today, doing a little torque tube rebuild on the drive shaft. And the mailman just showed up and brought a little box from Slim, so we're gonna see what he's got here. Hey, what do you got there, Slim?
Nitrous Express Hitman system.
Oh yeah.
Part number 20-001-10. 10's the bottle size, 10 pound. 5 will be 5 pound. 15.
All right, let's see what we got in here. Oh, all right.
We got the Hitman solenoids, carbon billet. They're the compact version, so they're not very big.
Those are pretty small.
This is their Piranha nozzle.
There's the nozzle.
They also have the Shark nozzle, but this kit comes with the Piranha. You get some hoses.
Nice. I like it. Well,
built-in purge port
seems
on the Nitrous Express solenoids. These are the Lightning.
Oh, that's pretty sweet.
Style.
Sounds like it's pretty simple so far. Oh, all right.
Here we got the bottle brackets, master switch, other switch, line, tank to the front.
What's this little blue guy here? What's that? A little tube of Loctite or something?
Looks like Loctite.
Okay.
Try for the mounting bracket.
Give you some hose clamps and stuff. Oh, what else we got here? Oh, there's a little button. Oh, they give you a arming switch. That must be the go button, huh? You press that when you're ready to rock.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's the hit it. Right there.
Are you gonna put a throttle switch on it, or are you gonna use the button?
I think we're gonna use the throttle switch. We're gonna use the Innovate, I think.
Oh yeah, run it off that.
Yeah, the Innovate PSN 1.
Hell yeah. All right, well,
10-pound bottle.
Jeez, look at the valve on that thing.
That's the patented Lightning 45 bottle valve from NX.
Jeez.
I like that guy.
I like it. That looks nice, dude.
Oh yeah, brother.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about the machine that's going on here? Let's check this thing out.
92 Plymouth Laser, front wheel drive, automatic.
It's not going on this motor though, right? We don't think.
No, this one, she's 15 years old. She's a little tired. We're gonna change it out.
So we're gonna build a motor, put it in here, put some spray on it. How quick has this car been, Slim?
1095 at 125, best mile an hour 129.
Jeez, all right, that's pretty good. And what are you hoping to run? How big of a shot do you think we're gonna put on here? What do the jet support for this bad boy?
It comes with a 25, a 50 to 75, or a 35, 50 to 75. I'm hoping we end up around 75, and man, if I'm feeling crazy, we're gonna hit it with 100.
All right,
yeah. Take it. We might put it through it.
Oh, you missed an important piece here, Slim.
Well, I didn't get that far, you know.
Check it out. They even give you a license plate frame. Oh yeah, got that. We got this whole pad set up for the unboxing, and we put it all on the floor.
Right through the floor.
And then we got
5 horsepower. 5 horsepower.
Nice.
I think that goes.
We got stickers. Oh wow, that bottle's pretty light.
Yeah, the Lightning 45 valve is 1 pound lighter than the old valve.
Oh, geez, the valve itself's a pound lighter?
From what I understood.
Jeez. All right. Well, let's put this all together. Oops, dropped your sticker. Well, there you have it, folks. That'll be one of the next projects here. We're gonna swap the motor and put some spray on this thing, so you can probably look forward to seeing some videos on that. I think it'll be pretty nasty. What do we think it's gonna run? I don't know. We're shooting for what, maybe 1050?
Let's put it in the mid-10s, man.
1050? 135?
135?
1030, 135. So that's our goal, 1050 at 135. I think it'll do it pretty easy. Especially, we got there's a couple little trick pieces that are going in here, some new cams, maybe raise the compression a little bit, so, all right. Well, there's that. We're gonna finish putting my drive shaft together, and we'll give you guys an update once we make a little more progress on this vehicle.